Julia Child made it. Amy Adams made it. Babish made it. This guy made it.
Fantastic show today, a classic.
But I never did. Boeuf Bourgingon. Arguably the most popular French dish out there. I'm equally excited and nervous. I'm Mitch May. Welcome back to Bourdain.
Everybody should know how to use a knife.
Use everything, waste nothing. Let's start at the beginning.
It ain't that hard, okay?
Learning how to cook with Anthony Bourdain's cookbook. Getting a little seasoned here. The book itself, me, I'm getting cut up. I'm learning, and I figure why not go for one of the big classics, Boeuf Bourguignon, aka beef burgundy. It is a what the? That's so weird. At the end of the day, it is a beef stew, but a lot of it focuses on the technique. From Julia Child's recipe all the way to every other recipe I found, everyone adds bacon, potatoes. Anthony Bourdain has us just use carrots and onions. Now he also has you add a demi-glaze or demi-glace. Recipe, it calls for chicken steak. I called the butcher, asked for chicken steak. They kind of had no clue what I was talking about. I had no clue what I was talking about. It is kind of funny actually showing you my shopping journey. I'll link the video here as well as down below in the description. Grab Bourdain's book if you'd like down below. Let's get making this thing. I've been going through the recipe and I look at what needs to be chopped, what needs to be prepped, and then we go apply to heat. Once stuff gets cooking, once stuff gets on that burner, it can be chaotic and stressful, and then you got your Boeuf Bourguignon burning. No, I say. First things first, we have our vegetables. Start with 6 carrots, gonna have to peel them. As you can see, these magically got peeled already. Holy crap, what? These are suggestive looking carrots. I know you're thinking that, like, but anyway, this shredder peeler comes with a weird serration going on there. So I don't know what's up with that. I just start from the top, go all the way down. Trying to get rid of all the gross parts. I pre-peeled them and it does look like there's a little oxidation going on. How's that for a word of the day? Oh, by the way, all the ingredients down below. Just want to get off all the shreds. I want this to be a clean looking dish, just straight out of a magazine. I did try to get carrots that look similar in size. Cut these carrots into 1-inch pieces. How long is 1 inch? Like, it's always that great debate, you know? I think that's 1 inch. Okay, 6 carrots cut up into nice 1-inch pieces. And they have little pinstripes. I don't know why the peeler does that, but it looks kind of cool actually. Next up, 4 onions, thinly sliced. All right, Tony Talk. Moving through Anthony Bourdain's A Cook's Tour, episode 3. The dude eats a beating cobra heart. You're like gutting this cobra and he's just chilling there, just badass, just like, bring it, give it to me, give it to me.
Hey, come on, man. Hey, let's go. It's fresh. Want it beating.
He eats it.
Cheers, folks.
Just my anxiety alone of eating something that could like poison me, that shit freaks me out. Sometimes I get a little mini panic attack if I choke on my own spit. So again, I have linked down below all of these episodes for free. That's a lot of onions. I'm just gonna put these over here. That's like, that's an obscene amount of onions. Making a cute little bouquet garni, parsley, bay leaf, thyme. There's something just like intoxicating about prepping, organizing all your ducks in a row and then just coming over to the heat and just plopping in there. I do want to show you the wine I'll be using, Pinot Noir. You're supposed to use Burgundy wine. I only found tubs of Carlo Rossi and I do not want to use a tub of Carlo Rossi. Pour one out for the homie, Mr. AB. The cut of meat we're gonna be using for Boeuf Bourguignon. I think that's silver skin. Yeah, dude, that's silver skin. I'm gonna try to get that off. I think I'm gonna try to get under it. See, I know vague stuff due to watching like Iron Chef America, but I don't actually know what the hell I'm doing. Oh, it just kind of rips off, huh? All right, cool. I swear like a fillet knife would be helpful. Get under it with losing as little meat as possible. Whatever. Get rid of this too. Just to clean it up, keep it uniform. That fat right there, I kind of like that. I'm gonna go this way first, 1.5 inches, so. It's like a fillet, son. Should have got a ruler. Kind of going off of the book because they're big ass pieces. Salt and pepper these boys. Now is not the time to watch your sodium. Kind of using what falls on the cutting board. I gotta go a little higher here because I'm getting too much salt. My arm is tiring. Then I'm gonna use what's on the cutting board to dab up the sides. Yeah, a little more just because it looks sexy. Over to the stove now. In the Dutch oven, heat the oil over high heat until it is almost smoking. Add the meat in batches, not all at once, and sear on all sides until it is well browned, not gray. removing it and setting it aside as it finishes. As I'm going through this, I'm learning, go with your intuition on things. Like the pan was too hot there. I did like the sinful thing of starting over with the oil, leaving some of that fond on there. But I started over because there's a difference between that fond, which is like a dark brown, and burnt. I don't want to add burnt here. Couldn't get a sear on everything, but like, gosh. Add the onions to the pot. Lower the heat to medium-high until the onions are soft and golden brown. Bourdain calls for them to reach soft and golden brown color in 10 minutes. They might not hit that, they might hit it before, so I'm just gonna monitor. That's why I love cooking so much. You can have the ingredients, you can have everything be told to you, but at the end of the day, you still gotta try it, see what works, and kind of go with the flow. This is part of cooking, man. Hang out with me. Get a glass of wine, let's cook this shit. So we're coming over here, getting a nice brown color, and it's only been 5 minutes. At this point, we're gonna add flour, 28 grams of AP flour. Stir this for about 5 minutes. This, I believe, is going to thicken our sauce. Beautiful brown color there, not burnt, brown. From there, we add our wine. Gonna bring that up to a boil. And Bourdain says naturally, of course, naturally, scraping off the beautiful brown bits. Coming up. Now the fun part, we add the meat. Welcome carrots, nice to have you. 2 cloves of garlic and our bouquet of schmarny. Boop. Now we add water, 3 parts liquid to 2 parts meat. Thank you, Deer Park, for sponsoring this video. I only use Deer Park in my beef stew videos. So we bring this up to a boil, then we do a nice simmer for 2 hours, checking every 15 to 20 minutes. And I quote by Bourdain here, make sure the meat is not sticking or, God forbid, scorching. Also skimming off any foam or scum at the top. I kind of like this because I can just hang out, do the dishes, clean up shop while this is cooking for 2 hours, and just hang out. Catch you then.
Eventually,
Whoo, baby, it's been 3 hours of simmering this bad boy. The beef is supposed to be fork tender. It is finally fork tender. I added a little more red wine because the liquid was getting too low, and I added some tomato paste because in this picture, it just looks so velvety and red and rich. That might be a result of the demi-glaze. It's late and like, I gotta do other things. So let's plate this thing. Let's try it. It is delicious. There's no getting around it. The meat is fork tender. It's simple. I did plate it with mashed potatoes behind me. It's a classic for a reason. It's really freaking good. I've had something similar to it. It reminds me of, I hope the French don't kill me for this, goulash. It's Polish. It's got that brown gravy vibe. If I were to do this again, simmer this for more than 2 hours. This took some time. It was a long day making it. It's kind of one of those things you can just vibe out, get it cooking, hang around friends, drink some wine. I'm feeling this wine. That's my maybe 3rd glass. I'm not gonna tell you. Well, you can recreate this dish. Let me know what you think. Go with your gut, go with your intuition. I saw it burning, took it off the heat. The meat wasn't tender, cooked it longer. Thank you for watching. This was Back to Bourdain.
Stay organized and clean up after yourself. You do the best you can.
Oh my gosh, he closed the frickin' drawer. How about that? Bending over like that hurts my back. Ooh, I'm feeling in the flow right now. Probably because I had a triple espresso. Anyway,